The East Village Athletic Club. It's apparently where the know-it-all bullshitter who sits in your bar ran the 100 metres in 9 seconds, but all the records were lost and the timekeeper was ill on the day it happened. This is one of those easy 4-part cocktails with equal measurements. I really love these recipes. The ingredient lineup: Blanco Tequila, yellow Chartreuse, Grand Marnier and fresh lemon juice. So let's kick off our proceedings by adding 3/4 ounce, that's 22.5 ml of Blanco Tequila to our shaker. Then add 3/4 ounce, 22.5 ml of yellow Chartreuse. Then add 3/4 ounce, that's 22.5 ml of Grand Marnier, and this is going to give the drink a bit of sweetness and warmth. Add 3/4 ounce, that's 22.5 ml of fresh lemon juice. Then add ice to your shaker and shake for 10 to 15 seconds. This cocktail is essentially a New York riff on the last words. It was created at the PDT bar in New York City around 2008. Then you want to double strain this into a chilled coupe glass. Garnish this with a lemon peel. The taste test. This is a sweet and herby cocktail. You certainly get those medicinal hints in the Chartreuse. The tequila is not particularly dominant in this one. I like the warm combo between the Grand Marnier and the lemon juice. That works really well. It's not a bad cocktail.